Are you tired of waking up with high blood sugar in the morning? Even when you didn't eat anything, you're not alone. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and what you can do to fix it, starting today. Before we talk about solutions, we need to understand what's really happening inside your body. Because when you know the science, you'll know how to take back control. When you eat foods like rice, bread, potatoes, those starches get broken down into glucose, or sugar. This glucose enters your bloodstream and raises your blood sugar levels. Your pancreas releases insulin, the hormone that acts like a key, telling your cells to open up and pull sugar out of your blood. When everything is working right, your cells listen to insulin, take in the glucose, and your blood sugar comes back down to normal. But over time, especially with too many carbs, weight gain, or just aging, your cells get stuffed full of sugar. They stop responding to insulin. This is insulin resistance. And when insulin knocks, but your cells ignore it, sugar stays floating around in your bloodstream, damaging your eyes, nerves, kidneys, heart, and more. So why is your morning blood sugar the highest, even though you didn't eat all night? There are two main reasons. 1. The dawn phenomenon. Overnight, your liver stores of glucose, glycogen, are released to give you morning energy. Stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline signal your liver to dump glucose into your blood. If you have insulin resistance, your liver doesn't listen when insulin says, stop. Result, your blood sugar climbs higher and higher in the morning. It's like your body's natural alarm clock, but if you're insulin resistant, that alarm clock keeps blaring. 2. The Somogyi Effect. Here's the opposite problem. Your blood sugar drops too low in the middle of the night, often from too much medication insulin injections, or even late evening exercise. Your body panics, releases stress hormones, and your liver floods your blood with sugar to keep you alive. Result, you wake up with blood sugar that's way too high, clues that this is happening. Night sweats, nightmares, or restless sleep. Morning headaches. How to know which one of the above you have? Because the fix depends on the cause. So here's how to figure it out. Test your blood sugar around 3 a.m. for 3 to 4 nights in a row. If it's normal or high at 3 a.m., it's the dawn phenomenon. If it's low at 3 a.m., it's the Somogyi Effect. Solutions for high morning blood sugar. If it's the dawn phenomenon, change your evening meals. Eat more protein, fish, chicken, eggs, meat. Avoid starches like bread, rice, pasta, noodles at night. Example, grilled chicken plus salad instead of spaghetti. Eat earlier, finish your last meal by 6 or 7 p.m. and avoid late night snacks. Try vinegar with dinner. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in water can help reduce the spike. Light activity after dinner. A 30-minute walk after your evening meal can help your muscles soak up extra sugar. Get good sleep by 11 p.m. and aim for 7 to 8 hours. Poor sleep raises stress hormones, making morning sugar worse. If it's the Somogyi Effect, talk to your doctor about lowering medication dose. Have a light protein-based snack before bed, boiled egg, cheese stick, or handful of nuts. Adjust timing of medications if necessary. Avoid exercising too hard in the evening. Why this matters? If you ignore high morning blood sugar, it can lead to serious complications like nerve damage, kidney failure, heart problems, and even blindness. But the good news is, once you know whether it's the dawn phenomenon or the Somogyi Effect, you can fix it naturally with simple changes to your food, routine, and medication timing. So now I want to hear from you. Have you struggled with high morning blood sugar? Drop a comment below with your experience. If this video helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips that actually work.